تطوير دولتنا فبإمكانها أن تلهمنا من جديد في قطر وحول العالم من أجل تطوير وإعادة تشكيل تصوراتنا عن سبل بناء نظم رعاية صحية أكفأ وأشمل. يسعدني أن يأتي هذا الجامع المتميز من الباحثين والعلماء والمتخصصين للدوحة ليتبادلوا تحت منظمة وش الفكر والرأي والخبرات. أتمنى لجمعكم المتميز التوفيق ورحب بكم من جديد معنا وبيننا، والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Thank you again to Her Highness. We'd now like to welcome Professor the Lord Aradazi of Denham, the Executive Chair of WISH, to join us here on the stage.
Your Highness, Your Royal Highnesses, Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to WISH 2022. It's terrific to be together here in Doha again for this, the 6th WISH Summit. It's a testament to the deep and lasting relationships that we have created at WISH and sustained over time. Through the turbulence of the past 10 years, WISH has endured. From the global pandemic to blockade of Qatar, nothing has stopped us or our work from continuing. It was the energy and the vision of Her Highness Sheikh Moza bint Nasser that brought us together in the first place, and her support continues to sustain us now. And WISH is made possible by the unwavering support of Her Excellency Sheikha Hind bint Hamad Al Thani, CEO of Qatar Foundation. All of you in this room today are leaders of health reform and pioneers of innovation. We have come together once again to share ideas, celebrate successes, and shape our collective future. And now is a great time to be in Doha. Qatar is in the final stages of the preparations for the FIFA World Cup. You will all have seen the magnificent Education City Stadium on your way to the conference center this morning. In a region that has known so much tragedy, the World Cup is more than a tournament. It is a beacon of hope. It is the first time that the competition will take place in an Arab country, and the first time it will take place in a Muslim country. Hosting the World Cup is rightly a source of great pride for this small nation with big global ambitions. Sport brings joy, and it is a powerful unifying force when crises after crises try to pull us all apart. As His Highness the Emir told the United Nations a few weeks ago, fans from around the world will be welcome to Qatar without discrimination. And this will be the most accessible World Cup ever, with stadiums, transport, hotels, all designed so that people with disabilities can enjoy the games with dignity. The World Cup has been a catalyst for better health in Qatar. Indeed, just yesterday, the WHO recognized all cities in Qatar as health cities, the only country in the region and one of the few countries in the world to accomplish this goal. But the legacy of the World Cup will not just be in Qatar. It will also be in stadiums that Qatar is helping to build in emerging economies. One stadium in Qatar has even been designed so it can be disassembled after the World Cup is over and relocated elsewhere. The power of sport to bring people together has never been more important than in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. Though it has waned in many parts of the world, there is the ever-present threat of a resurgence. I want to take a moment to recognize all of you in this room for your contributions since the pandemic was first declared in 2020. From clinicians at the front line to scientists, experts, and academics behind the scenes, you worked tirelessly and often at a great personal risk to serve your populations. I applaud you, and I recognize the toll that it has taken on you. Since we are here in Qatar, I wanted to pay particular tribute to the work of the Ministry of Public Health under the leadership of Her Excellency Dr. Hanan Al-Kuwari, to Hamad Medical Corporation, Sidra Medicine, and to Primary Healthcare Corporation under the leadership of Dr. Mariam Abdul Malik. The impact of COVID has been diminished by the truly extraordinary creation of new vaccines in a record time, never seen in the history of humanity. Scientists around the world came together in a unique collaboration to defeat this virus. And we witnessed the astonishing breakthrough of mRNA vaccines. I'm delighted that we have the CEO of Flagship Pioneering and co-founder of Moderna, my great friend, Dr. Noubar Afeyan, speaking shortly. Yet despite the astonishing achievements of ultra-breakthrough innovations, the distribution of COVID vaccine has proved more challenging. National governments have put their own population's interest first. While 68% of the world's population have received at least one dose of the COVID vaccine, that drops to just 22% in low-income countries. Global vaccine equity is vital as a matter of justice, and because without it, we all remain at risk. The pandemic also taught us that we can deliver a lot of healthcare in a very different way. We made changes in weeks that would have previously taken years. Resilience of our health systems have been tested, and there are many lessons for pandemic preparedness. But one lesson stands out. Too many of our citizens were left overexposed to COVID because of the slow burn pandemics of chronic disease. COVID did not affect us all equally because neither health or healthcare is equally distributed. We need to embrace innovation to improve the health of our populations and also to narrow the unacceptable health inequalities. We have become too fatalistic about illness and too focused on treating the already sick. The next frontier must be about protecting people's health rather than waiting for them to become sick. WISH's vision is to build a healthier world through global collaboration. This has been WISH's mission from the start, to bring people together, to develop, to promote, to disseminate innovations that can really transform the world. Nurturing the WISH community has become of social and political upheavals across the globe. Thanks to the amazing work of Sultana Afdal and the whole WISH team to achieve our shared ambitions. We can show the world how, in place of discord and division, collaboration and cooperation can help us meet the challenges we face. With the power of the WISH community, we can promote better health for everyone and broaden access to high-quality care for all. This is what we mean by healing the future. Thank you.